around with this jug wheel spread on the ground, and then they call out your name. Oh yes, they call out your name. Like a patchwork quilt. Well, there were men and women, mothers and fathers, sisters and brothers, daughters and sons, and children and babies and lovers and friends. They all lay before me, sewn into one, and then they called out your name. Oh yes, they called out your name. And you live forever. Know that I'll be loving you just like a patchwork quilt. Your life had meaning and your life had joy. Touched so many people, many more than you know. And you wrap yourself around me as I walk along these roads, and letting me feel your beautiful soul. I feel the warmth of your eyes. I feel the warmth of your life. And you will live forever. Know that I'll be loving you just like a patchwork quilt. My heart feels overflowing with tears. I cry for your suffering and for your shortened years, and I'll take you with me as I walk away, remembering you who died with me. I will remember your name. Oh, I'll remember your name. And you will live forever. Know that I'll be loving you just like a patchwork quilt. Know that I'll be loving